Hey guys, what's up? It's Amena.
Elias.
For today's video, we're basically going to do like a what we eat in a day. I promise in December, we are going to try to post a video every single day. Yes, so get ready for that. I hit you. Boom. But first of all, I want to show you guys something really cool that I received. I received from this company called SodaStream. I'm so excited for this. Yeah,
I love it.
This is actually something I'm excited for. So this is my newest kitchen gadget. This is called SodaStream. Basically what this does is it turns water into sparkling water. I'm gonna show you guys how to use this. It's so easy. So I'm just gonna pour water in here, and there's a line about right there. So then you just put it here. And then literally there's this button on the top, and then it says push it 3 times for a light fizz and 5 times for a strong fizz. So we're gonna do
press button.
Yeah, so we're gonna do what? Light or strong? Strong?
Let's do it strong.
Yeah, we like it strong, right?
Yeah.
We like our carbonation. Alright, so
for 2 seconds, right?
Yep. And then I'm doing it 5 times.
That is not 2 seconds.
It is 2 seconds.
Just that is 1 second. Come on, dude. There you go.
There's 3. That's 4. That's 5. And then just take your water out. And voila! Sparkling water, literally within seconds. You guys, look at these bubbles.
Yep.
When I tell you it's sparkling, it's so strong, so good though. You guys can see these bubbles. This is legit. Like, this is so cool.
Hey, let me try.
It's so good. If you guys are like addicted to soda or whatever, this is a good alternative, don't you think?
So good.
This is so much healthier than drinking like sodas, you know. If you guys are one of those people, you're addicted to soda, you should definitely try this out, because it's pretty much, you get the same carbonation without the sugar, right? Which is not good for you. And this tastes good. It comes with some flavors too. I have it in my refrigerator. So if you guys want, you can also add some flavors in it. This is lime drops. They have a whole bunch of different flavors on their website. You just do like a half a teaspoon and you add it in there. If you like flavored water. If you guys want to try this, you can order it online. It's very easy. I'll leave the website down below. You can click the link in the description to check out SodaStream. And I actually have a code with them as well. If you guys want to save 20% off, I want to say thank you, because they did send me this product and they're sponsoring this video. And that's Elias's cell phone. So right now we're gonna eat some breakfast. If you guys watched us before, you should know what I'm going to make. Take a guess, take a guess. What is it?
It's gonna be full with eggs.
Full with eggs. You already know. So I got my eggs. Got my food. So first I'm gonna add my oil. This is avocado oil. I told you guys in another video before that avocado oil is like the healthiest oil to use for cooking high heat. A little bit of avocado oil in the bottom of the pan, and now I'm gonna add my food. Just goes right in. And yes, I do use the canned food. I remember in my last food video, some of you guys were telling me not to use the canned one, to buy like the fresh one. I don't know where to find like the fresh fava beans, but yeah, I seen the comments. And they're right. If you can find fresh fava beans, that's better.
Yeah, you can make it by yourself. You can make it how?
I can make fresh.
Yeah, do you know how to?
How?
I know how to.
What do you mean? You know how to grow beans?
Yeah, you need to put in the water, you know, for a week, and that's it.
Oh, okay.
I'm serious.
Okay.
That's how they do it in Ethiopia.
Really?
I swear.
Wait, where do you get the seed from?
The seed? The seed is everywhere. What are you talking about? It's like modern.
I've seen like the dry, fresh ones, but I don't know how they're made.
They prepare it at home, you know. In Ethiopia, they prepare it at home, the fresh one.
Yeah. I'm gonna put salt, just a little bit. It really doesn't need that much. I feel like it naturally has like a salty flavor. I'm gonna put garlic powder and the most important thing, cumin, kamuni. All right, then just let this come to a boil.
Mix first.
Next, I'm going to be using 3 eggs, just for me and Elias. Add a little teeny pinch of salt, and I'm gonna add some black pepper, and that's it. Plain and simple. Again, with the avocado oil, I'm just gonna put a little bit at the bottom just so that the eggs don't stick. Food is boiling. It's pretty much almost finished. I'm just gonna wait for the water to like boil out a little bit. The eggs are going in here. Shout out to you guys too for telling me to use stainless steel, because I used to use like the non-stick ones and that's not good. Stainless steel is definitely more healthy. Oh, and I'm making these eggs scrambled. Okay, so the food is ready, and now you're just gonna smash it up. You guys, don't make fun of me. I still use a cup. The easiest thing would be just to use a, what is it called? Potato smasher? Yeah, I keep forgetting to buy one.
Yeah.
I literally keep forgetting. So I still just use a cup. Just like my mama, old school.
Yeah, you old school.
Food is pretty much finished. Just trying to smush any of those whole pieces. It doesn't have to be perfectly smushed. Pretty much like that. All right, so now I'm gonna grab a plate. Eggs on one side. And then the food on the other side. Yum, yum, yum. And then another thing you can do, just take a little bit of avocado oil or olive oil, sesame oil, whatever, and just drizzle it on the top of the food. Gonna pour a glass of organic orange juice. All right, we have our food and eggs. We have our pita bread, aka tortillas. It's not really pita bread. Let's go eat breakfast. Let me know how the food is. We got a new carpet too, by the way. If anybody notices. How's it? Whenever Elias likes the food after his first bite, he goes Now it's like our
so good.
Yeah, now it's like our joke. Whenever I make something, I'm like, excuse me, you didn't say it.
Gursha.
He does.
Gursha. You didn't even chew it. You're so fast. You're so fast to say.
Takes like 10 minutes to make. It's fast, it's easy, it's a good, healthy breakfast.
Yeah.
That's why we love it. Finished.
Charasco.
So, we're full. That was a very delicious breakfast,
so full, yeah.
Right? And I've been meaning to show you guys for a while. We kind of like redid our bedroom. It's not done yet, but you know, it was so basic before. Our bedroom was so, like there was nothing.
Yeah.
We had nothing. We had no drawer, no nightstands. It was literally just the bed, but we kind of like made it over. So let me show you guys. So we have this. We got this huge 9 set drawer.
Drawer, yeah.
Yes, drawer. And I have these 2 candles right here. And of course, we hung up our Elias and Nina sign right here. I decided to put that right there. I figured it looks good right here. I feel like a mirror on top of here would have been good too, but I kind of feel like a mirror in front of the bed is a little bit weird.
Yeah.
I don't know. Is that me? Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Right.
So weird.
But that's how my sister's is, though.
Really?
Yeah.
Why? Why she did that?
I don't know. Anyways, we bought these curtains right here. We actually had to take off the, what is it called? The blinds.
The blinds
that were there before. Yeah, we completely took those off. And then Elias like installed this curtain rod. And we bought these. These are called blackout curtains. So even during the daytime, it's completely black, which is nice, right? Of course, we got a new comforter. As you can see, we have like a gray silver theme going on. I feel like that's what's trending right now, you know? Everybody is doing silver and white. And these lamps too. We bought those lamps both on, and the night table, the nightstands. Oh, and the picture, we bought that too, decoration. And our nightstands, as you can see, that one is Elias's side because it's dirty. Look at my side, it's clean.
So dirty. Look at it. Let me show you guys.
No.
Hold on. Look at it.
No, that's jewelry.
It is it.
That's jewelry.
So
that
dirty. My side is like, you know.
No.
So clear and
no.
perfect.
That's our new bedroom. Not gonna show the closet because that looks scary right now. But yeah, I mean, it's like a complete upgrade from before. We had nothing before, and we have like a black mirror right there. You can show them that. See, looks nice, right?
Not bad.
Not bad. Not bad, says Luca. Oh look, you can see it with the lights closed. Is that more beautiful? Yeah, I feel like it looks better at night. In the bedroom.
Yeah, you don't see nothing
Right.
but dirty stuff.
So beautiful. And also, those of you guys who were asking about my sister, we're actually gonna be there next week for Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna vlog that, of course, and I'm gonna try to film some more videos with her while I'm there. If you guys have any ideas, like what do you want to see me and my sister film, just leave it down below and we'll do that. So yeah. What is that? Why is that closet open? That's our washer and dryer. Alright guys, so we're just picking up a few things right now, and then when we go back we're gonna eat our lunch slash dinner, which is going to be delicious. Look at these lights, it's so beautiful. They always set up these lights around this area in our neighborhood. Like right around this time, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Look at it, literally. It's so nice, right? They have little reindeers. There's a lake. You guys can barely see. There's a... Alright guys, so right now it's time for us to eat our lunch slash dinner. Because we are going to be eating dorowat. And we also have, I always forget what this is called, tikil gomen?
No,
what is it? Alisha. What is tikil gomen? So basically vegetables, half vegetables and half dorowat, which is chicken stew. So I'm just heating it up right now. Here's the dorowat with one piece of chicken leg in it. And here's the alisha. We actually got these from Abiba to go. Here in Dallas, our injera right here.
Yeah, we put it on the plastic bag because we don't have the, you know, the proper things.
What's the proper thing?
Yeah, they have like, it's called a mussel.
Like a like a holder.
Thing, yeah, like a holder.
Oh.
Yeah, if you guys like, you know.
If we buy that, will our injera last longer?
I think so.
Really? Maybe I should try that.
Because we put like on the bag, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because our injera lasts like 2 days.
3 days. I mean, it's supposed to actually, you know.
Maximum.
If it's not like, you know, if it's not became bad within 3 days, which means there is something wrong with the injera. So
right.
It is good, you know. If
yeah.
it's less than 3 days,
yeah,
it means the injera is good.
It's good, but then it's harder to eat Ethiopian food.
I know, yeah. You have to buy like every 3 days.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
Looking delicious. Looking really good. I wish we had more than one piece of meat, because that's my favorite part, is the meat. Elias loves the doro. I mean, Elias loves the wat, right? More.
The what?
Elias loves the wat more.
The sauce. Say the sauce.
And I love the doro more. The sauce. I'm saying he loves the sauce more. I like the chicken more than the sauce. He likes the sauce more than the chicken. I'm gonna set up the plate right here. I'm gonna grab a piece of injera. So we're gonna get one piece of injera to go on the bottom. And this top piece...
Is that 2?
It's 2, because the top piece I'm just gonna do one of these. Roll it up. I'm gonna roll it up and put it like One here, one here. The water is boiling. How many eggs do you want?
Just
2. So
okay.
Let's do 3
because
eggs.
you said that you didn't eat.
I did. Elias always says I don't eat. Look, see,
This
you're gonna crack the egg.
Is cracked.
You. Oh my God. You.
Which one is that? Is this one?
Oh yes.
It's not working, I think, anymore, right?
I don't know. I've never cracked an egg before. Oh my God. He dropped it again.
I think it wasn't.
Technical difficulty.
Oh, that was this one.
Yeah. It's still good. Here's our dorowat with 2 eggs and 1 piece of chicken. And our alecha. That's good. That's a lot. There we go. Yummy. Smells so good. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat.
Looks so good.
Yes, it smells good too.
Look at it.
Yum. Look at that. There you guys go for you.
Hello.
Give them a good gursha. Right there. Yum. Open.
Okay. It's good. So good.
I like the alecha, but I like the one.
The alecha so good.
I like.
Taste is so good.
I like the one with cabbage more.
Oh, with the
when
cabbage.
they put cabbage, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
But
This is so good. This chicken is so good, but I don't want to eat all of this chicken.
wow.
Because if I like something, Elias will give it all to me and he doesn't want to eat it.
Because I love you. You always give the good part for your partner, right? So that's what I'm doing.
Chicken.
You like chick?
Yeah.
Chick.
You chicka.
I didn't say chick.
Alright, we're gonna finish eating and we will be back. We're full. That was our lunch / dinner. That's our realistic what we eat in a day. I don't eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I never have. I eat like 2 maximum and that's it. I'm full. I'm good. After this, we will eat like fruits. We'll eat some fruits and then that's it. But now is the perfect time after I ate that like dorowat and stuff. You want that carbonation to help you digest. That was the perfect time for that sparkling water. There we go. Easy peasy.
So good. I swear.
Let me try some.
It's so good.
Yeah. So right now is our time. We're gonna eat some fruit. Found this nice organic watermelon. I'm just gonna cut this up. We had half yesterday, half today. So we're just gonna eat our watermelon right now and we're gonna watch a movie or something and we'll probably go to sleep very soon. We're getting tired. I'm tired. Are you tired, Dumbushi? I can tell when he's tired.
Really how?
You get really quiet when you're tired.
Yeah, I don't
when you stop talking, it's just like a kid. You talk, and then when he stops talking, I'll look over. His face is like this, like I'm like, oh. Anyways, that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and once again, make sure you check out SodaStream. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Click on the link in the description box to check out SodaStream. It's legit. Me and Elias both give it a thumbs up, and use our code Amena and Elias 20% off.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and leave the comment down below. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye. Peace.